All right, today we're going to do a video of a 2007 Okuma Space Turn LB-400 by 1250. Machine has a chip conveyor, coolant system, tailstock, 12-position turret. You have a 15-inch chuck. It has an OSP P200L control. We're going to jog the machine around. That's your Z-axis. Nice and smooth. You have your X. That's a Kitagawa chuck on the machine. You can move the tailstock in and out. It's a tow-along type tailstock. And now we can run the spindle. That's 500 RPM. It goes up to 3,500 RPM. That's 1,000. That's 1,500. That's 1,700. This machine can be seen under power. Thank you for watching.